Hello there, crafty friends. This is Danny here from Danny's Dreams, just stopping by to share a couple things today. First and foremost, I want to say wow. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. My channel has exploded overnight. I know it is because of Sheload of Cards and Call Me Crafty Al, also known as Alicia. I can't thank you enough. It just warms my heart to see that subscriber count grow, and I hope that you will stick around and like what you see. So again, thank you so much. I'm also stopping by today to share with you the card that I created with Call Me Crafty Al last Saturday night on her Oh So Inspired series. It was supposed to be her sister Lisa, Crafty Al, and myself crafting, but her sister was unable to attend, so it was just Crafty Al and myself. If you haven't watched her Oh So Inspired series, what she does is she pulls up an inspiration piece that has been submitted from some of her members, and then you create a card, or like her and I created a card based on that inspiration piece. Her members can also, or subscribers can also submit a sabotage. This week it wasn't horrible. It was to add a bow made out of ribbon to your card, which I don't do very many bows, so that was kind of a challenge. Anyways, I wanted to stop by and show you the card because I need to mail it out to one of the viewers that was watching. Therefore, it won't be in my Saturday showcase. And this is the card that I created. The stamp is Perfect Peony from Craftin' Kimmie Stamps. And I pulled the sentiment from a stamping upset, which I can't remember. I know that I have it all listed in the description box below. And I will also link to Alicia's Call Me Crafty Al's video so you can watch the replay if you didn't get to see it live. And so there is my card. You are amazing. And I will get that in the mail this week to that viewer who won it. So again, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel, hitting the bell for notifications, and I always appreciate the thumbs up. Thanks so much, and until my next video, have a super crafty day.